नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, MD होम्योपैथी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एंड हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं माइलस्टोन्स रिलेटेड टू टीथिंग। शुरू करते हैं। सो व्हाट बेसिकली द टीथिंग इज? Teething is the process by which an infant's teeth erupt, so break through the gums. Teething is also referred to as cutting of the teeth. Teething is medically termed as odontiasis. In most cases, eruption of primary teeth causes no distress to the child or parents, but sometimes process causes local irritation which may interfere with child's sleep. The small primary incisor usually erupts without difficulty, but difficult teething is commonly associated with large teeth. When do babies start teething? The onset of teething symptoms typically precede the eruption of tooth by several days. While a baby's first tooth can present between 4 and 10 months of age, the first tooth usually erupts at approximately 6 months of age. Some dentists have noted a family pattern of early, average, and late teethers. Now, the order of eruption of teeth. The following is the general order of eruption of primary teeth. Central incisors erupt between 6 to 12 months of age. Lateral incisors erupt at the age of 9 to 16 months. Canine teeth erupt at the age of 16 to 23 months. The first molar erupt at the age of 13 to 19 months, and second molar erupt at the age of 22nd to 24th month of age. Between 6 to 12 years of age, the roots of these 20 baby teeth degenerate, allowing their replacement with 32 permanent adult teeth. The third molar, that is wisdom teeth, have no preceding baby version and generally erupt in mild to late adolescence. Because of their tendency to promote crowding and crooked orientation, they are often removed. That's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.